That's where we are, heading up to Corndu, Penny Fan, back round to the Story Arms and back down to where we're parked. So whoa! What a grip! Oh mate, I can't. Go on, you can do it. Penny Fan right at the very top and in cloud. I don't think I've ever been to Wales to the top of a mountain and not seen just cloud around me. Hopefully it clears by the time we get up there.
In dreams.
Yeah.
Where it pulls you down so nothing done.
Almost there.
What's that?
Oh.
Oh, I made the thing going.
We're not at the top yet. It was just getting dark as we were going back that way, so we must be coming up in the dark. There was something there before, wasn't there? It's fallen down.
It's got to be. That's just.
Yeah, it was definitely not something there last year because I remember my picture taken next to it.
No, this is a false center. This is Corndu. This is Corndu.
Corndu. Oh yeah, we'll go that way.
Yeah, we've got to step off this bit.
So we're now at Corndu, and that is the little tiny stony summit. Do you want a photo, Sean?
Yeah, go on then.
So this is Sean. Looks like we're on a landscape moon. Oh no, there he is. And he's not really on the top. We're going to superimpose him. So this video you see now, Sean AI'd in. So it's a bit of a sharp drop down here. We don't really want to go this way. Look at that. Wow.
A bit of snow and a bit of ice.
You can't.
Even someone shouting in the background, fucking the pussy.
Yeah. Wow, not sure about that.
The monster's kicked in, now come on, let's go boys! Oh shit!
Over there. Here we go. Penny fan. Look at that. And we're there. One easy chain.
Brewdogs, sponsored by. Send us more.
Cheers.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I know you're photographing yourself.
So that was Penny Fan behind me. Like he says, top of Penny Fan.